the book is written very much with a beginner's mindset. The only chapter I had to totally rewrite was the one on yoga, and I think just because I know so much about it, I kind of lost my voice. I had to go back and go, what was the first time like I went into a studio, or how was my first systematic relaxation? How did that feel? Because I want people to think these steps are very accessible. So a big part of it, and you both read it, so you know, I say practice this at home, and if you like it, because choice is important, you know, especially people who serve in a uniform, you know, they give up so much choice. So pick what works for you, practice it at your home, and I tell you exactly how to do things at home. Then maybe you take it out into a community or a small group or a hobby or
even a
bigger
friend.
group.
You know, you can influence people one at a time even.
Yeah.